Welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I like to show you how I make this beet soup. They call Barszcz. Very popular soup in Poland. We call Barszcz Ukrainski. It's excellent comfort food. My family love this. Load with lots of vegetables, and I hope you enjoy. For the red beets soup, the Barszcz Ukrainski, I need 5 potatoes, half a cabbage, 1 onion, 1 root of parsley, 4 carrots, celery, about 1 cup, and leeks. And I will use baby butter beans, pre-cooked already, or you can use the canned one, and diced tomatoes. Pork ribs broth, so the first part. All my vegetables cut. The pork ribs pretty soft. It's perfect time to add vegetables, carrot, cabbage. Put stuff on a high heat. Parsley root, celery, and potatoes. Next I will add bay leaf, allspice, just a few. Next step, I will add beets. Let me check the red beets, and they're pretty soft. The red beets I just cook. As you can see, it's so easy to remove the skin. They're pretty soft. So all my vegetables are pretty soft. Next part, I will add leeks, red beets, beans, nice and red color, very thick soup, perfect. Now adding pepper, half a teaspoon, salt. Everything is nice and soft. And the next part, tomatoes. We use half an onion this time and 3 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of butter, onion. I will saute the onion, 3 cloves of garlic for extra flavor. I love garlic. And I will add 2 tablespoons of flour. To thicken soup. Okay, next step, I'll add my beet soup. And combine all ingredients together. Very nice. Next, I'm adding my onion, flour, and garlic to the soup. Perfect. Very thick soup. Very tasty. I'm adding vinegar. Usually I put 1 spoon, try to be sure it's not too much vinegar. Very nice. A little bit sugar. I just put 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and maybe I put a little bit more salt. Wow, excellent soup. color is perfect. The last part, I'll add green parsley, about 2 tablespoons. Dill, 2 tablespoons. Perfect. The soup is done. So delicious. It's lots of vegetables, very healthy soup. Excellent soup for the cold weather. Anytime you will enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up. Please like, share and comment and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon. Thank you so much. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego. Bye bye. I serve this soup with sour cream